What you see right there on the box, a pendant light. Just gonna open this up so you guys can see what it looks like. This is the Rowan rod pendant, 100 watt. It is, there's a product number, so on and so forth. Basic instructions. Pendant lights aren't much trouble. Just basically got to know how to put a couple wires in a wire nut. That's the rods there. There we go. And let's see what's in the box here, folks. Here it is. So there's the hardware for the actual fixture. There's the fixture itself. It's got a little slight glitter to it, but it looks beautiful. There's a swivel adjustment here, so you can adjust how you want it to hang. Here's the wire and the rest of the fixture for the actual glass, and then here's the glass itself. And there's the glass. It's really pretty, actually. Good looking. I'm gonna put this together so you can see it. Okay, so as far as rods go, you get 3 long ones, 1 short one, and there's also a short one that's on the bulb fixture. There's the bulb fixture right there. It's good looking. The length we're going for is about 30 inches above the counter. It's recommended 30 to 36 inches. So we're going to go with 2 long ones and 1 short. To get the rod screwed into here, you need to make sure you take out the little plastic on this one. You don't have to take it out on the other ones, but just on the first one, there's a little piece of plastic in there. So you've got 2 knobs there, so you can adjust the angle and tightness. Then of course you've got your little nut there to screw on the glass. There's the glass itself, and this is the ceiling fixture. We've got it all now assembled. Without the glass, I'll do the glass later. And then we've got our fixtures up there. And that's what they look like. They're beautiful, actually. Really pretty. I mean, this was a great buy on Amazon. We have these above this island right here. But those are beautiful lights. So there you go. That's what they look like. So there we go, YouTubers. Over and out. Please like. Please subscribe if this helped you in your shopping experience in any way. No, have a Merry Christmas and have a great day.